Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your payment method on Peloton. This is helpful if your card expired, you got a new card, or you just want to change how to pay for your membership. First, open the Peloton app on your phone or tablet and make sure you are logged into your app using your email and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon, then select setting. This is where you manage your subscription and billing. Inside the setting menu, look for billing, membership or payment method. You will see your current card or payment option. Tap update, edit or change payment method. Now tap in your new payment information such as card number, expiration date, security code, billing address. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. After entering your new details, tap save or confirm. Your payment method will now update for future billing cycles. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.